Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our DreamView channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Samsung 212L Direct Cool Single Door 3-star refrigerator. First, I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 212L, good for couples and small families. Compressor type digital inverter compressor. Consumes lower electricity when compared to normal compressors. Performance type 3-star for saving energy up to 35%. Defrosting type direct cool, economical, consumes less electricity and requires manual defrosting. Specifications. Generally in the box we get refrigerator, user manual, warranty card. Refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator. Type single door. Capacity 212L. Number of doors 1. Warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 14,699 rupees only. Friends, I hope you really enjoy this video. To get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our DreamView channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.